In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Impulse MACD in TradingView Pro. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get the indicator loaded on your charts, even if you're fairly new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market or time frame you're looking at. The process is the same for all of them. On your chart screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually found in the toolbar above the chart, and it might be labeled Indicators or Indicators and Strategies. Go ahead and click that. This opens the Indicators window, which is where all of TradingView's built-in tools, community scripts, and your saved favorites live. Once that window is open, you'll see a search box at the top. Click directly into the search box so you can start typing. This is the fastest way to locate any indicator without scrolling through long lists. In the search box, start typing Impulse MACD. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results. Look through the list that appears below and find the version of Impulse MACD you want to use. Depending on what's available, you might see a built-in version, a community script, or several variations created by different authors. When you see Impulse MACD in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added to your chart. You should now see the Impulse MACD panel appear, usually below your main price chart. Take a moment to confirm it's there and that it's updating with your price data. From here, you can customize it if you want. To do that, hover your mouse over the name of the indicator on the chart and click the settings icon. This will open a menu where you can adjust inputs, colors, and styles. If you're just getting started, you can leave everything on its default settings until you're more comfortable. If you're planning to use Impulse MACD regularly and you don't already have TradingView Pro, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link is a simple way to upgrade your account, unlock more indicators per chart, and support the channel at the same time. That's all you need to do to add Impulse MACD in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps whenever you want to apply it to a new chart or symbol.